How to set password in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to lock WhatsApp with password. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch WhatsApp. Tap three dots at top right and navigate to settings option. Now launch privacy option. Here you need to scroll down and tap on chat lock or app lock option. Tap on app lock and here you will see unlock with biometric option. Simply you will need to toggle on the button for unlock with biometric. When enabled, you will need to use fingerprint, face or other unique identifiers to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. Then you have to confirm your biometrics and you need to set the timer for locking your WhatsApp. That is immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. If you wish to show the continuing notifications, turn on the button, otherwise turn it off. And with that, you have successfully locked WhatsApp with password. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.